Well, hell, you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? I know, as you saw by that thumbnail and everything else, it's really, really cool. We've got the highly anticipated Detroit Grooming Black Box for review today. Now, I don't know if I was really, really cool at editing. I'd have that scene from Sevens where it's like, what's in the box? What's in the box? But I suck at it, so you just gotta deal with this ugly bug. Yeah, as you hear the rattling, that was my first concern. But I got box number 20 out of 100? Yeah, box number 20 out of 100. Okay, so we all know Detroit Grooming. We all know Detroit Mike. If you don't, take a look right up here. There's going to be a card for, if I remember correctly, for every single beard care, skin care, hair care I've ever brought to the channel. I got a couple up there from Mike. He is an awesome dude. I really love what Detroit Grooming's doing over there. Here's my first issue. There was nothing in there to protect the products when they came over. Seriously, I got this in yesterday. I want to give Detroit Grooming all kinds of credit. That was really freaking fast shipping. Stop. Of course, I forget to, not do an alarm. If I was smarter, I'd probably reshoot this, but I'm not. We're going to run with it because you know that I like, making fun of my errors. It was really, really, really fast shipping. So the only thing you're not seeing is the outside cardboard box I got it in. So let's open her up and take a look. Yeah, so, okay. Here's the thing with mystery boxes. You're going to pay a company a certain amount of money, and hopefully you're going to get that product, that amount back, and then a little bit more. I love how Mike says, yeah, well, we can guarantee you're probably going to get double your value back. So I paid $55, so we're looking at, what, $110? Okay, if we do for double. But as long as I got my money back, I'm happy. Second issue I had. I'm going to show you what I got. 2 of the 3 products didn't have their lids on. Seriously, the lids were bouncing around and the product, thank God nothing got in there, but still. But alright, let's just start breaking everything down. I don't think, any of that is Mike's fault. I don't think any of that is some other stuff. They just probably grabbed stuff, threw it in there, and with bouncing around, the lid probably came off. So I got 3 2-ounce butters. The first one is Christmas. And I'll be honest, I really haven't tried this yet. I really wonder if Christmas is exactly as Christmas in July, just with a different label. Just one is like a campfire oud and the other is a fireside oud. But it's still incredible smell. The one thing I've never ever really gotten about Detroit, like when you open it up and I'm smelling, it's not like here's the scent profile. You really gotta get in there and go at it. But like I said, thankfully nothing happened. This was one of the ones that were open. Woodward with the new label. I got this last year with a different label on it, so I really like Woodward. I just haven't done a review on it. And one of my all-time favorites by Detroit Grooming, the 313. This was the other one that did not have the lid open. I should say the lid secured on it. But that's about normal. I mean, I've seen that before with Detroit Grooming with settling and cooling and everything. No big deal. Okay, so I got 3 butters. And if I got the current price right, I pretty much just made my money back just with the 3 butters. Alright. Now, on the app, it's not there, but I got one of their, military beard brushes, their Boar's Bristle brush. So, not bad. Alright, what else we got here? Little wristy silicone-y thing that the cuteness factor has already claimed for herself, so, okay. Detroit Grooming button. I didn't see any of these on their app, so I might have to go to the web store. One of their, I think it's sandalwood, I'm not sure, but a wooden comb. Thing that got me right away. Take a look. Can you see it? It's got a small ding. No big deal. I really don't use wood combs anymore, so for the collectability factor, it's kind of cool. I got one. I don't know, maybe just for novelty's sake, I might send it to Johnny Germs, because we know what he does with combs. Now, the one thing that struck me as funny, got a metal comb with a bottle opener. Those of you who know me and know my reviews on everyday carry gear, you know how much I love bottle openers. But I want you to take a really, God, it's going to show. there was some like stuff on the comb. See right there? So I don't know if that's just been sitting around. I don't know if that was just a bad plating, sealing, whatever. I don't know. So it's probably going to go on my wall, little pin in there and hold it there because it's a pretty cool Detroit Grooming novelty item. And of course, we got stickers. Like an old Atari. There's a really old school one, huh? Oh, okay. Goes like that. And looks like Star Wars. I mean, Star Trek. Sorry. Oh my god. My inner geek is beating itself up fighting with each other. Star Wars versus Star Trek. But still. Okay, so that's everything that I got. Now, my first thought was, is this going to be the same for every single little box out there? Did they just do 100 of the same boxes? Well, I can say thankfully no. Because I watched Bearded the North and Bearded Folks do a live unboxing the other night on Instagram, and everybody got different stuff in their things. I thought that's cool that they got some oil. I think it's really, really cool that a bald guy got pomade. Sorry, folks. I love you, bro, but damn, man, that was really, really funny. That was seriously like the highlight of my night. But do I feel I got a good deal? For the beard butters alone, yes. I can't complain. Seriously, I can't. For a mystery box and my first exposure to the Detroit Grooming Black Box series, I'm pretty pleased. I mean, I don't regret buying it. I had all of them, so I was like, okay, well, now I got some spares. The only thing that's going to make me go, is I got to do a sniff test later on Christmas in July and Christmas. But here we go. All right, we're at the fun part of the video for me. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger. Do you feel that that was a good deal? Have you gotten the black box before? What are your experiences with it? Have you gotten this year's black box? It makes me wonder because like last year it sold out 5 minutes. I think I got mine later on in the day, and I know some people have 2 on the way, and I think it's still on their app. So it just makes me go, did it not really touch people this year? I don't know. But like I said, what are your experiences and that fun stuff with the black box? Please leave them right down below because I'd like to know. I'm debating picking it up next year. I mean, I think it was a neat little gift to get myself. But still, I don't want to go too far down that rabbit hole, But, man, if any point during this video I made you laugh, made you cry, made you do anything, please hit that big old thumbs up. It's only going to help trigger that algorithm and get this insanity out there to other people. Now, for you first-time viewers on my channel, I just want to say, hey, thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know I do things a little bit differently here on the channel, and sometimes, I should say, mystery box unboxings aren't the best in the world. I almost said subscription box, but it's not really a subscription box. It's a one-off mystery box. Yeah, there we go. But still, thank you so much for viewing this video. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question's why? What can I do to earn your subscription? Please leave me a comment right down below, and let's see how I can implement that into a future video. Now, after you've done all that fun stuff, please take a look right down there in that corner. You should be seeing a big channel symbol pop up in just a moment or two. That's going to be one-click easy access for you to get right to subscribe. Now, after you've knocked that out of the park, please, if you so choose, there's a little bell icon right next to it. Go ahead and click on that. Here's the why. That's going to let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we come to YouTube for, 2 should be popping up somewhere over here. Those should be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick look at Detroit Grooming's 2021 Black Box. Thank you so much for watching. I hope all of you are having a great day, a safe day, and I will see all of you in our very next video.